I've got to go to an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at a pita factory that makes Smart Pockets. This one's called Toufayan Bakeries, and the quality they churn out is amazing. It starts off with quality ingredients that are mixed in this massive mixer. From there, it's placed into a machine that turns them into a long stretch of dough that is dusted with plenty of flour. The dough is kneaded, folded, and then this really cool cutter rolls and cuts them into the perfect rectangular shape. You're probably asking what happens to those leftover pieces? Well, it goes up a conveyor belt and back into the line. Nothing is wasted here. Now the pockets have to proof, and that means it goes through this conveyor belt system that slowly rises that dough and then straight into a hearth baking oven. Out pops these warm, puffed up pita breads, and yeah, of course I got to taste it. It was the best pita I've had in my life. So back up a conveyor belt, and these pita pockets are left to proof and cool off in a giant carousel. Quality control is paramount here. The pockets are cut in half automatically and then packaged, making sure that each bag has the right amount of Toufayan Smart Pockets. They're all boxed up, taped up, and before you know it, they're going straight to your supermarket.